Could you explain what are the Four Noble Truths?
Hmm?
What are the Four Noble Truths, Seroji? Could you explain?
Noble truth of dukkha, satya,
Yeah,
noble truth of suffering, noble truth of the origin of suffering,
yeah.
noble truth of the cessation of suffering,
Mm-hmm.
noble truth of the way for realization of Four Noble Truth.
Mm-hmm. And so, Seroji, how does Seroji understand the noble truth of suffering?
Maybe this is maybe according to Sutta, many Suttas,
Mm-hmm.
especially beginning from Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta.
Mm-hmm.
Buddha teach Jatipi Dukkha, Jarapi Dukkha, etc. Finally, he said, Sankhedana Bhikkhu Bhavana Khanda Dukkha.
Yeah.
In brief, 5 aggregates of Klinga are called Dukkha Satya.
Yeah.
This Dukkha 5 Klinga aggregate. What is 5 Klinga aggregates? This is mentioned in Khanda Vagga Sanyutta Khanda Sutta,
Mm-hmm.
Yanginchi Rupa, Dita Nagata Bishopana, Ijadawa, Betawa, Olarigawa, Sukamawa, Inawa, Bridava, Yanduri Sandigiwa, Sazo Ubadaniya, Yahochati, Rubu Varana Khanda. In this way, Buddha explained Rubu Varana Khanda. With new Varana Khanda,